How to fix we can't sign into your account error on Windows 10. Here are some methods that would help you fix we can't sign into your account error on Windows 10. Method 1, disable antivirus and third-party applications as admin. Method 2, register. Fix. Go to hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version/profile list in registry editor. Check the profile list folder. Locate the exact folder which has profile image path key and its values is pointing towards system profile. Find out ref count key. Change its value from 1 to 0. Reboot your PC later. Method 3, change password from another account. Restart your system later. Log in using the ID. Just changed the password. Method 4, scan for viruses and using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide.